Will leave you with a very smooth skin texture and a very subtle glow after you wash your face with this face wash. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Sharmeen and I am working at Venus Aesthetics as an aesthetic physician. So, Venus Aesthetics is offering a wide range of skin and hair care products. So today I'll be telling you about the first and foremost product from this line, and that is the Venus Aesthetics Glycolic Acid Facewash. Okay, so talking about a few of the features of our Glycolic Acid Face Wash. The strength of the acid is just 1%, very safe for regular basis use, and it also has very fine, small, gentle scrub particles that will not only exfoliate your skin but prevent buildup of dead skin cells in your skin, in your pores, and will leave you with a very smooth skin texture and a very subtle glow after you wash your face with this face wash. So coming towards the usage of this face wash, it is safe for all skin types and you can use it on a regular basis very safely. Start off by washing your face with the face wash, and afterwards it is very important when you're using active ingredients like glycolic acid. One has to protect their skin by providing very good hydration barrier and a skin barrier. That is only possible with the Venus Aesthetics Skin Moisturizer. Very rich in ceramides and hyaluronic acid, it is going to give you very good hydration throughout the day, and then in the end, do not forget your sunblock. And the best one I would recommend is the Venus Aesthetics SPF 60 sunblock. Very safe to use, good for all skin types, and all you have to do is apply 2-finger length of the product to your face and you're good for your day. Now that we have discussed the benefits of this product, I would like to tell you certain conditions in which it is important that you avoid using these active ingredients, especially the glycolic acid. First and foremost being that if you are sensitive or allergic to this product, I would advise that you do a patch test first and then incorporate it into your routine. Secondly, if you have allergic skin or you have allergies or contact dermatitis, any skin condition, it is advised that you refrain from using the product. In some cases, glycolic acid may cause skin hypersensitivity, so it is recommended that you start by incorporating it slowly into your routine. You can start off with alternate days or once or twice a week, see how your skin reacts to the product, and then gradually build it onto a daily basis. Now that you know about the benefits of the product, the do's and the don'ts, what are you waiting for? You're just a click away from ordering them and start enjoying them in your daily skincare routines.